Problems are like washing machines. They twist us, spin us, and knock us around. But at the end, we come out cleaner, brighter, and better than before. And hence, life without problems is like a school without classes, tests, or exams because we don't learn anything without them. Do we really have problems? Studying is the actual problem? According to us, being a teenager, being a student, we know the problems that we face. And according to the Bahar ka society, according to our parents, they be like, isko kya hi problem hai? So in today's video, let's talk about all the problems we face as a student, and you guys can relate to this so much. And do let me know if you guys can relate to this in the comment section below. If they say that students do not have any problem, then what are these? Difficulty in understanding complex topics, time management, peer pressure, bullying, dealing with higher expectations from parents, and many more. But these are some of the main things that put a lot of pressure on us. Let's talk about But before that, let me tell you that problems are a part of life and focusing them is an art of life. The main stress every student faces is the academic stress. How did I overcome the stress? Because I used to stress a lot, especially in my 8th, 9th and 10th grade. Just stay present. वर्तमान काल के बारे में सोचो यार, भविष्य या भूतकाल के बारे में क्यों सोच रहे हो? Past is past and future will be defined by the present. The past is gone and the future is not yet there. The moment over which you have the full control is the present moment. So use it as much as you can and shape your future accordingly. The next one is the time management. मैं यहाँ पे exam के time पे होने वाला time management के बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm talking about our everyday life. It's about how we are able to manage school and coaching. That's the main point that we are discussing in my past 2 videos, right? Just remember, we cannot manage our time, but we can manage our work according to the time because time किसी के लिए भी नहीं रुकता. It goes on and we have to go on with the time. It's not just about the studies and it's not just about how much consistent you are with your preparation for the next competitive exam. It's also about something called heartbreaks or some problems or issues. We have to move on with the time because time heals, time flies, time doesn't wait for anyone. With the time, you have to move on. As we know, we are not wasting time, just we have to use it wisely. Wasting in the sense scrolling shorts, reels, and that's why we have to set up timer for everything. अगर तुम्हें इतना scroll करना ही है, then follow the method that I use. I just use it for 10 minutes and then I set the timer. The app automatically gets locked. At most important, that is peer pressure. How many of you face this? I face this even today. अगर तुम्हारे बाजू में बैठने वाला बहुत अच्छा पढ़ता है, उसे बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, then you will feel some kind of disappointment in you कि यार वो जितना पढ़ रहा है मैं भी उतना ही पढ़ रही हूँ, वो जो असाइनमेंट करता है मैं भी वही असाइनमेंट करती हूँ और वो जो टेस्ट देता है वही टेस्ट तो मैं देती हूँ. Then what is stopping me from getting good marks and rank than him? Guys, you just have to realize the ability. This is very, very important when you are competitive, when you have the competitive spirit in you. The person who sits beside you or the person you have set yourself as a competition for you might have the greater ability than you to understand things more easily and to keep up the things for a long time. And they might have a good logical thinking. There's nothing to worry about it because according to your ability and the amount of effort you have put, the amount of hard work you have done is important than how much you have attained. And according to this, peer pressure can influence a person to do something that is relatively harmless or something that has more serious consequences. So instead of putting more and more pressure on you, just realize that you have done your best and according to you, you are the best. Next and the main important one, that is dealing with high expectations from parents. जैसे कि मान लो you are a topper since your childhood and you have set some high standards and high expectations for your parents and have been always been proud of you and they say कि मेरा बेटा बहुत अच्छा पढ़ता है, मेरी बेटी बहुत अच्छी पढ़ती है, she's a topper of her class, and suddenly as the academic year increases and you feel the subject to be difficult and your grade has been deproving, there will be a slight disappointment in you as well as your parents because they have got that feeling in them that you are the topper and will be the topper for them. So at this point of time, you must adopt a growth mindset. Focus on the value of the process rather than the outcome. For example, we can have high expectations for the effort. Generally, parents want the best for their children and they may think encouraging you to pursue a certain career will genuinely help you. So it's better if you once try to see it from their point of view before raising it with them. Even though they put pressure on you, a parent might be behaving this way because they love you. So basically, stay calm, believe in yourself and look to the future with hope. And let me answer a few of your questions quickly. First one was the review on Lakshya batch. It's the best batch. मुझे Lakshya 1.0 से मुझे Lakshya 2.0 बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So I'm continuing for the physics and mathematics with the 2.0 batch. And मेरा physics, chemistry, mathematics में syllabus कितना हुआ? Physics में 2 chapters खत्म हो रहे हैं, not yet done. Chemistry में, physical chemistry में 3 chapters खत्म. अभी मैं 11th को organic कर रही हूँ because मेरा backlog है. And for mathematics, as I've already said, I'm going with the 2.0 batch. जैसे sir पढ़ाते हैं वैसे मैं follow करती हूँ. And the FITGI material, it's the best one, guys. आप चाहे तो कर सकते हो. It has everything in a sequence. So and we have come to the end of the vlog, but before I leave, I wanna share this, that problem is just the distance between expectation and reality. So either expect less and accept the reality, or expect a lot and be brave enough to turn it into reality. Brave hearts will choose the second one, and weak hearts like me will choose the first one.